Have you ever heard about a moon garden? It's a garden designed to be savored under the moonlight. White flowers and silvery foliage shimmer in the night, releasing sweet, captivating fragrances more potent in the evening. Creating a moon garden is an enjoyable and rewarding process. The first step in creating a moon garden is choosing the right location. You'll want a spot bathed in ample moonlight, perhaps somewhere you can admire from a cozy window or your favorite outdoor lounge. Once you've chosen the perfect spot, it's time to select your plants. The magic of a moon garden comes from its plants. The ideal candidates for your lunar landscape are white flowering plants, those with silvery foliage, and varieties that release their fragrance after dark. Moonflowers with their large, luminous blooms are a natural choice. White roses add elegance while their fragrance intensifies at night. Silver thyme, with its gleaming leaves and subtle scent, provides a perfect contrast. These are just a few suggestions. With your plants selected, it's time to get planting. Planting a moon garden is similar to planting any other type of garden. First, prepare the soil by turning it over and adding compost for nourishment. Next, place your plants according to your design, ensuring each one has enough room to grow. Gently place your plants in the ground and cover their roots with soil. Give them a good drink of water to help them settle in. Remember, different plants have different care requirements, so do your research. With a little care and patience, your moon garden will soon be a beautiful and fragrant nighttime retreat. A moon garden adds a touch of magic to any outdoor space. It offers stunning beauty, enchanting fragrances, and endless joy to gardening enthusiasts. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and ideas. Happy gardening!